Guys, rain a fall, you know? Oh God, I say rain a fall. And I look a piece of umbrella walk through the truck. Yay! Rain can't stop me from vlogging. Woo. Take your time, girl, and my slide. Woo. Joel, the weird on her back, watch him. Guys, I go over my dog house because the rain a fall. They're cold because they are a fixed house for them. Look at them. Seven puppies. Why? That big one. So, is them alright? Them look dry now. Hey puppy! Shh! 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 We don't know what's going on in our world, not true? Storm Zeta. So then I was here. That's their house. Their This is terrible. Terrible. See them in the yard. I don't have to go to the beach because I have the beach right there. The beach come to me. See there, the beach come to me. A minute after I got to the beach. One thing, guys, you know that I'm afraid of the lightning. So I'm not gonna stay out here for long. Why?
All me know what Malakura, but it's coming like a freak storm. All over the sun. All you see that you over the sun of Annalyn for the training? Look over there, so. You see over there, so clear? Oh, God. I want a tree drop down over there, so, man. A breadfruit tree. I want that over there, so. What kind of tree they say tear down? A good thing in a Japanese house. Hey, me I say look like a heat drop down. I look at it in a Japanese house. I don't know it's a breeze and rain. I come from me. Now I pick up my big coconut. I don't want to wash away the water. What is it? What do you mean? Watch it.
I say go everything there if it just hope say no come too high, you know.
The water came up in our house, so you see the back window
Yeah.
on this side.
Yeah. Yeah.
At that height, the water came in, man.
When that?
When the water, when it came up, I went long.
No.
You see along a bridge down there, so you go through there, and we have the water kitchen, you want a people to go through there. And you can shut that water bridge just up. This is a water run a bridge to, you know? I the parlor must wash out.
Alay!
Mountain because so I come from this morning and walk through here. So if I you go before I go after and then you go to move and come back and put on water with a long socks and get to the soccer. So I do the water and serve it, come serve up and all the water. People say I carry shit off,
So you follow big tree bush? Afraid you afraid?
No, you mud because of the mud up. First, you see them things.
So the wall in and carry him?
Oh. Like you see now, be foolish.
Actually, saying carry bigger tree there. You want a bigger tree there.
Small them so big crocodile wash up and for one day you can stop. Right, that's none of them gone.
Who tell you that, Marshall?
And girls, I know.
So you believe in little girl?
I'm afraid of them.
No, me ask if you believe in little girl.
Believe in man.
So we have to go down and look then.
Man,
Probably wash. So wait there. Remember say rain fall, it's the Marshall? And then the gully dry. So where crocodile go?
Exactly.
I wonder if...
When we fall, it's water.
Exactly.
I know that I see this thing like I see up a farm. You go, this is water come up a farm, you know, right?
And crocodile up a farm?
Yes.
Liar tell Marshall. No, I'm not going I FaceTime me the pan. Sonny Wagwan. And my daddy me a talk to boy. Here run a go. Come look and my daddy me a talk to. Come look. See boy, I am a crocodile in a gully. See that? I love boy, there's a crocodile in a gully. I shoes I feel wearing a them a weather here.
Yeah.
Me know what chicken they go on. Shh, girl, I'm not saying nothing to him. Jesus. Why? Whoa! I got me one vlog. Vlog yeah, drop in a mud. Kalang where you go, Marshall? Plug me, ear plug me. Nisha! You psycho? I tell you say something there in a we gully. Crocodile in there. Who tell you? One little girl. Lie. Man, lie, you see. Guys, good day. This is the back of my house. Yeah, man. No more shortcut. Why? So, guys, later that day, we come to shop to buy stuff for dinner. Look at the time. Now we're not cooking because of the rain, the flood. We couldn't go out. We were trapped. So where we go?
One that around the today. Mini wholesale.
The where?
Right on the way to school.
Since when?
Funny thing, funny thing.
Me nah go down there so.
Put it on.
Me not going. Move! You're the rain I come back down, guys. OMG. And I'm at shop. Me and my brother.
And I put chill. Put your name in it.
Rain I come down. You have to hurry up to go home before light. Woo! Now you look everything I found myself. You're rain, guys. Hurry up, brother. Hurry up. You're rain. We have a show. Dog being cool. Very cold. You know, so my dog them not leave with. Anybody we got them, my dog and follow with. Good dog them. Guys, we are walk up the road. We got people yard. We are gonna look chicken. We have meat, you know, but we don't want that. We want something. How far, Joe? We want something more easier to cook because you see the almost done. So we want chicken. You know, chicken easy to cook. So we there people yard. My sonny. So guys, we did not get the chicken. We happy, you see. I'm glad we didn't get the chicken because I never work with any money and I want bun and cheese. So I could borrow the money from Joel, buy me bun and cheese until I go over. I'm over up yourself. Yeah, man. When I go over, I give him back the money. Marshall, chicken patty, you say? You know, see me vlog man pat. Come, bro. I walk up so we can go back home. Hello? We not get any chicken. So let we... Move! The man is there, you know, but there's no chicken. So guys, see me I call it my chicken. What me I call it my chicken? I call it my cheese. Oh, my juice. Oh, MG. After we dog? Sure. Mushka? Mushka, come. You know where you're gonna people yard for. Come. And she cover this seat, watch her. Jump down. Mushka, come. That's why you don't got people yard. Finally come. No, sir. So guys, I'm going home now. I'm going to show you the bridge. Michelle, you know Mushka a big coward. Not that bad. The only thing I don't like the lightning. I'm scared of the lightning. Alright, so here is the other gully. Let me turn the camera around. Eh? The man have chicken? So what you think, sir? Huh?
Like if you're my friend and you want chicken, go
Oh, yard purpose. So see the guys, see back here. After water run off, it was heavier this morning. See there? This is at the back. So, guys, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, stay safe. Guys, rain a fall, you know? Oh, God. Mess it rain a fall. And I look a piece of umbrella walk through the truck. Yay! Rain can't stop me from vlogging. Woo! Take your time, girl, and my slide. Joel, the weird on her back. Watch him. Marshall! You have to go put me up. Later. After sexy. Guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Woo! Woo! Good girl, Miss Joel. Okay. See it here, guys. Reach over yard. Yeah. Reach over yard. Woo! Let me show the wild one out there. I'm gonna vlog for them. You might come if I want too slow. Let me show the guys, look there. See boy, them run left him. He's so slow, yeah, man. Bye, guys.